Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Vishwesh and Royal Enfield has finally launched an all-electric motorcycle. They did. Kind of. So guys, recently there have been a lot of news on the internet with a lot of photographs surfacing up about a motorcycle called Photon, which people are calling as the first ever Royal Enfield's official launch as an all-electric motorcycle. However, all of that is not true. The Photon is not made by Royal Enfield. However, the classic 500, the donor bike, which was given for the customization or the creation of Photon, was given by the then CEO of Royal Enfield back in 2018. So that's a 2-year-old project which saw the daylight finally in 2020. Definitely not the best year, but still it did. Okay, coming back to the Photon. Well, the Photon has been customized or created by a firm based out of Wales in Europe. The firm's name is Electric Classic Cars. Like the name itself suggests that these guys actually specialize in creating electric versions of all the classic and retro four-wheeler vehicles. However, the Photon is the first ever two-wheeler endeavor which has seen the daylight, and it is already gathering a lot of news, as you all can see. Coming to the technical specifications of the Photon, well, this bike is based on the Bullet Classic 500, which is obviously a Royal Enfield motorcycle, and it has been converted into an all-electric motorcycle. The driving force in this motorcycle are four 2.5 kilowatt hour batteries provided by LG Chem. So total there is a 10 kilowatt hour capacity in this motorcycle. This gives it a total distance of 160 kilometers on a single charge. And this is obviously subjective to riding quality, which is like around below 90 kilometers per hour of speed, which is quite decent. On a single charge, obviously that's a great distance to cover as well. The total charging time, however, is 1.5 hour given you use the provided 7.5 kilowatt hour charger which the company provides. So that's again really decent. Top speed is 112 kilometers per hour, which is actually what you can expect from a classic 500. However, it's discontinued now, but that is what you could have expected, and that is what the Photon is delivering. So no qualms or no complaints about that in that area. The best part which I found was that there's a 13 kilowatt hour driving motor, which is actually a wheel hub mounted motor rather than a motor which is transmitting power via a chain or a belt drive. Now, this is a very clever move, because not only this eliminates the maintenance criteria. You don't have to oil the chain, you don't have to change the belt, you don't have to take care of the rust and all, but also increases the efficiency of power transmission because there's no friction involved. The power is directly transmitted by the motor mounted on the wheel hub itself. Apart from that, the parts are the same of the classic 500. There's a 280 in the front and a 240 rear disc brake in the at the back, and the calipers are same and the shockers are same. Michelin tires have been used. These are tube tires because the wheels are spoke. They have actually preserved the entire look of the classic Bullet, which is very, very nice. That's how customizations should be. Seat is actually handcrafted and it's a single seat. It's more like a bobber seat. There is a LED headlamp now instead of the halogen headlamp which we are used to in a Bullet Classic. The side indicators have been removed, and now the pilot lamps actually act as indicators. Do let me know what do you feel about this move in the comment sections below, because as per me that's quite odd. But I would love to hear what you guys have to say about it. Overall, the bike is very, very well made. No doubt about that. The motor is liquid cooled. Obviously, some of you must be wondering, it's liquid cooled. So there's a radiator mounted right in the front with two fans at the back. So it is directly cooled via that. So it's decent enough. Now, all of that has been said. It sounds very nice, looks very cool. So almost there's no sound at all because after all it's electric. Now, all of you must be wondering that, Vishwesh, what's the price of this thing? Well, guys, the Photon is priced at 20,000 Great British pound, 20,000 Great British pound, which equates to roughly 18 lakh rupees in India, minus duties and imports. Now hold on to your horses. Don't pause the video, don't close, please don't pause the video, don't jump the horses, don't do anything. It is a very big price to ask for a motorcycle, obviously, which is an all-electric motorcycle. But if you look at the market right now, if you look at the direct competition, which is actually the Harley Davidson Livewire, which offers almost identical specifications with a few ups and downs, then that thing is actually priced at 30,000 Great British Pound, and that equates to around 32.5 lakh rupees in India minus tax and duties. So that's a huge difference for almost no technical differences at all. Moreover, this thing is made to order. It is made when you order it. It is made as per your requirements. You can get customizations done, be it the color, be it some use of components, which is all a very great thing. So as per me, the price is not too high, because that is how the atmosphere, the ecosystem of the electric vehicles are right now. So do let me know, what do you think about the pricing? What do you think about the Photon? I would love to hear a piece of your mind upon this. And that brings me to the end of this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till the next time, take care of yourself and be safe. See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.